Hi, this is Thomas from Rejola IT Services. Welcome to the video series of Does My Business Need a Software? Today, we will be answering a basic question, that is, what are the essentials for business growth? We saw in the previous video that the size does matter. More the size, more the profits, better the quality of life. So if we have to grow to a bigger size, what is the basic essentials or the prerequisites required for business growth? There are three things which we believe every business requires for business growth. First one is systems, second one is controls, and the third one is automation. What is systems? Systems, we can also call it as processes. That is, every team member in the organization or every employee of the organization knows precisely what has to be done in a given scenario. Proper systems in place where everything is predefined, every process flow is predefined, so that there is absolutely no ambiguity how a business has to be run. Second is controls. What are controls? Every business activity or every business process has certain danger areas or certain factors in it which can go out of control. So certain benchmarks or certain limits that are put into business, controls, approvals, or certain mandatory checklist that has to be followed. All these are part of controls. So if controls are in place, the benefit that the business receives is the chances of going wrong are minimized. The chances of making mistakes are minimized. So first one is systems. The second one is controls. So if a business really needs to grow or wants to grow, these two are absolute essentials in a business. The third thing is automation. Now, what is automation? Automation is trying to remove any repetitive kind of tasks in a business and ensuring that the team members are focusing more on creative activities rather than on mundane, creative, repetitive activities is called automation. So how do you achieve automation? You can achieve automation through a software. So something that takes care of your daily repetitive activities instead of your team members focusing on continuous, something that they don't even need to apply their mind or their creativity or their intelligence. It just repeats itself without any thought process involved. So removing those activities and trying to use the team members or implementing the team members with areas where proper creativity and intelligence is required, knowledge implementation is required. That process is called automation. The benefit of automation is the entire organization, the team in the entire organization will start focusing on growth related activities, market facing activities, customer satisfaction related activities, instead of trying to put out fire every day by trying to look at administrative activities, by trying to look at operational activities, by trying to be proactive instead of being reactive. So these are the three essentials in a business: systems, controls, and automation if the business is looking at growth. And we already saw that growth is essential. And without these three basic fundamentals, it is not possible to grow. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos from Does My Business Need a Software? And learn and understand how you can be sure if you really need a software or not. Thank you.